Hey, what's going on guys? It's Mr. D and welcome to my Motion NFT review. Now I am here inside the members area, and during this video I am going to give you a full detail how this works and what is all about. I am going to detail in this video, and also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below of this video. Now let me tell you what is Motion NFT is all about. So Motion NFT is a cloud-based software by which you can create motion NFTs, crypto art, which you can sell and make huge amount of money. With the help of this, you can make passive income, which means you can make money even if you sleep. It includes artificial intelligence by which you can make NFT crypto art by simply click on the mouse in just one click. So in my opinion, it is very good product and you must buy it. And more detail of Motion NFT Maker I will provide you later in the video. So Motion NFT Maker is going live on 21st July 10 a.m. EST, and when it goes live you can click any of the button on my bonus page and they will bring to you on the sales page. And so pick Motion NFT before my bonus page expire, which I don't want because I spend a long time to put and find these together, so you can get the best out of as possible. All those are created by myself and my team, very good affiliate marketers on the internet, and they are not going to be available through anybody else link apart from mine. With that, feel free to go and shop around and see what other people are offering in terms of bonuses for Motion NFT Maker, because I guarantee you that you are not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get through my link, which is down below of this video. Now let me tell you my bonuses. So my first bonus is you will get access to WP Slideshow Master, in which this software will help you to create amazing slideshow that you can sell. Now my second bonus is you will get access to Go Stock White Label. It is a software which will create a website by which when someone download any of image on your website you will get paid. So it is a very amazing software that I am giving to you. With this you can make much more amount of money. Now my third bonus is you will get access to my artificial intelligence logo creator software. With this software you can create as much as logo, very good logo that you can sell. Now fourth bonus is you will get access 5 free my premium graphic app and done for you templates inside this, which are very good. So my next bonus is you will get access to a suite of 16 software which include funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, video hosting platform like Vimo, dropshipping platform or e-commerce platform like Shopify, account of Kabazi, and much more softwares including in it. So you will get account of all these software for free and for lifetime. As you know that ClickFunnels average price is $99 per month and an autoresponder average price is $50 per month, and other softwares have different price value, but you will get all these for free. So my next bonus is you will get a premium hosting with a domain, including some premium themes, plugins and training also included. With this bonus you can publish your website on internet with a premium hosting and a premium domain with premium plugins and themes, and the training course will tell you how to do all this and how to rank your website and much more things to make money from blogging or website. I also put a bonus that you can send your email to my list every day, each day, and for lifetime. Yes, it is for lifetime. So I'll tell you my list, that my list have over than 120k subscribers, and you can send 1000 emails per day to my list and boost your conversion rates and get traffic to your affiliate link. So my next bonus is I am giving you 99 transparent images which are very good and you can use them to make money. So my next bonus is I am holding a $1500 contest, and if you win this contest you will win $1500, and all this contest detail are in my bonus area. So bonuses up to 9 are only for first 100 people because I am giving to only action takers who take action and grab all these, because these are very exclusive and I don't want to give them to all. So hurry up and buy it from my link. And as you can see there, some spots may already be gone because some of my buyers from my email list already buy it. So the seats have very less, and hurry up and buy it. So my next bonus is I am giving my email marketing hack, in which I'll tell you how I build my email list and how I convert them and make sales and make money from it through email marketing, and how you can do this also in a very simple way and fast without spending money a lot. So my next bonus is I am giving you a 40 free bonuses that you can give away to your audience to boost your conversion rates and make sales and make more money, because with the help of bonuses you can make more money and more sell. And my next bonus is I am giving a training of banking with bonuses, in which I'll tell you how to use those bonuses to give you to cost customers and how to boost sales, make huge money and much more from them. So my next bonus is I am giving all the vendor bonuses that he provides to me to give you, and you will assess all these bonuses. Now my next bonus is if you stuck any part of the software or training course, you can contact to me. I will help you and you will get support from me. Now, my next bonus is I am giving you my personal case study on how I got 2.9 million visitors to my website or my affiliate link, and how you can do this also. In this case study, I'll tell strategies how I got this huge amount of visitors to my link. And my next bonus is chatbot marketing mastery, in which I'll tell you how you can leverage the power of chatbot to interact with your buyers, to help them and to make money from them and boost your conversion rates. So my next bonus is that if you buy it, you will automatically be approved to promote all of my product of past and future. So you don't have to wait for any approval. I will approve you immediately. So you can start to make money. So next bonus is mine is $300 CPA every day. It's a best course on Warrior Plus, which will tell you how to make money through CPA marketing. So my next bonus is $500 CPA every day. It also CPA marketing course, and all those bonuses from one to last are very exclusive. These are created by my team and very good affiliate marketers or creators in on the internet. You have any doubt, then you can search by any of this product on Warrior Plus on and or on the internet, and which this will tell you that how this product is very good. So without wasting time, let me tell you my next bonus, which is CPA coffee shop method. It's also CPA marketing course, but and this will tell you how to make CPA commissions through social media. So my next bonus is $200 cash check. It's also a training course. So my next bonus is $2K CPA traffic jacker. It's also will tell you how to get traffic on your CPA offers. So my next bonus is $250 cash magnet, and this is a software which will make $250 per day for you on autopilot. So my next bonus is the commission glitch. It's a very good product and training course on how to get traffic for free to your links. So my next bonus is 6-figure influx. This will tell you how to make 6 figures and much more from it. So my next bonus is $1,000,000 toolbox. It's also a training course and best training course on the internet. And my next bonus is overnight commissions. It's also a software which will make commissions for you or on overnight. So my next bonus is commission toolbox. It's also a very good traffic course and training. So my next bonus is pure profit payday. It will tell you how to make money online through affiliate marketing by getting unlimited traffic for free without spamming on social media. So my next bonus is $100 CPA daily, and it is also CPA marketing course. And my next bonus is the commission profit hack. It's also a training course which will tell you how to make huge commissions through affiliate marketing for free. So my next bonus is instant traffic jacker, which bring traffic on autopilot for you through the internet. My next bonus is the commission magnet. It's also a training course on traffic. So my next and last bonus is the commission blueprint. It also a very good product. So I am not going to detail all these products which I give you as bonus. You can search of that, and these are very good. These are not any PLR products, and you can search on the internet that how good these products are and how valuable these are. All of these words are written by side of them. So for claiming all these bonuses, you need to do, first of all, click on the link which is down below of this video and come on my bonus page, which you may already be on if you come through my email list. Just be aware that it goes live on 21st July 10 am EST. Now let me tell you how you can access them. So when you buy Motion NFT Maker, so in your Warrior Plus history, as you can see there, this blue button tell access your bonuses. Here you can access all the bonuses which I promised to you, and after that you will get all the bonuses if you buy only the front end product, which is only for $27. Now let's see the sales page of Motion NFT Maker. Now I am on the sales page of Motion NFT Maker, and as you can see there, this is a groundbreaking app for non-artist, makes motion NFT crypto art which you can sell on eBay like sites to collectors and forever automatically collect passive virtual royalties every time your NFT get resolved. Get info how to use your NFTs to bring traffic to your listing to sell as many art pieces as humanly possible at best prices. Now as you can see this video, it will tell you all about what is Notion NFT Maker. Now there are some of its key features. You can see world first Motion NFT Maker app. Its second feature is convert any photo or image into crypto art. Very easy to use, include free software update. So every time they will update the software, you will get it automatically. You don't have to buy again. It's update. Now it desktop based, no cloud lag delays, commercial license included. So it's also a commercial license included, which is a very good thing. So click on this button and buy it. Now there are some of testimonials, and in just 3 simple steps you can use it. First, select the picture. Step second, select the areas you want to animate, and third, it will done and you can export it and make money from it. Now this is the whole sales page. You can read about what is Motion NFT Maker. Here are all the details, as you can see there, because it is very detailed sales page and it is very lengthy. I am not going to detail all this. You can read it out in your own time. These are some more income proofs and testimonials, as you can see there, and many things. Now as you can see, there are some things. You can see how to before it used and after, many things. Now there are some also videos, you can check them out. There you can see demo video, which is very good, and it will tell you many things about it. Now you can see commercial license also included, as you can see, and read it out. So here are all the things you are getting. First thing is create unlimited crypto art. Second, full 4K HD resolution, step by step training, fast and friendly support, commercial license, sell unlimited crypto art. These all things you are getting, and it is only for one time fee of $27. Now here some more testimonial and some frequently asked question. Let me tell. So is this a desktop software? This is a desktop based software available for both PC or Mac. Now its second frequently asked question is how many crypto art NFTs can I create? So there is no limit, you can create as much as you can. Now its third FAQ is how much do updates cost? So it is all free. Do you provide tutorial video? Yes, there is a full set of tutorial videos. Does Motiony support both horizontal and vertical crypto art NFTs? So yes. Does Motiony support Square crypto art NFT? Yes. Do I get any support? Yes, you are get support. Do have any money back guarantee? Yes, it have 30-day money back guarantee. Now as you can see, there are all the things you are getting for a one time price of $27, and you have 30-day money back guarantee. So it's all the sales page of Motion NFT Maker, and read it out in your own time, because I'm not going to all about, because it is very detailed, and check it out in your time. Now let me tell you its prices and upsells. So its front end price is for only $27, in which you will get all of my bonuses. Now its upsell first is Motiony Pro for $67, and in this you will get anything unlimited. You can make unlimited videos or crypto arts. Now upsell 2 is Motiony Enterprise for $67, and I have not much detail about it. Now upsell 3 is NFT Vamp for $27, and upsell 4 is Cinemagraph NFT Maker for $67, in which you will have many options and you will get many much more upgrades in which. So these are all the upsells, and in my recommendation you should buy upsell number 1, which is Motiony Pro for $67. Now it's all about. Thank you for watching my Motion NFT Maker video, and I'll see you in some of next videos. Take care. Bye.